as I scrolled, I found these CoverGirl TrueBlend blush sticks. Everybody is comparing them to the Rhode Pocket Blush. I don't own any of those, so I can't compare them, but I'll let you know if these are good. I got 2 shades. Everybody seems to really love the formula of these, so I am so curious to try them out. We're gonna try them out together, and we're gonna try both shades. We're gonna try one on one side and one on the other. I got shade Toasted Chai and Sleepy Mauve. So, Sleepy Mauve. Oh, that's pretty. And Toasted Chai. Those are nice. So I'm just gonna take that, I'm gonna take my 109 brush and I'm gonna pick it up. It seems like this is pretty pigmented. So this is that Sleepy Mauve color. It's beautiful. Ooh. And it does have kind of like a luminous finish. It's not like sticky dewy like that, but there is a really pretty glow to it. Let's just build up the color a tiny bit. Blends really good, pretty seamless. I'm not getting any like streaks or anything like that. That's beautiful. If you have a yellow olive undertone, that color is definitely gonna work for you. It looks nice with my undertone. Now I'm gonna take Toasted Chai, and I'm gonna just pack this one up. This one's definitely gonna be a little bit more intense. I can tell with the formula and just by this shade, this one's gonna definitely be pigmented. So I'm gonna take it and pick it up on the brush. Yeah, this one blends nice too. Sometimes like when the colors, like the blush colors can be a little bit deeper, sometimes the formula like changes, but this seems pretty consistent. I'm just gonna take it up a little bit here. The formula does feel pretty hydrating too. I'm always iffy sometimes with drugstore. Sometimes it could be a little bit dry. And then this is them like after kind of blending them out, but you can see that the light, like it bounces off. It does look like it's still hydrating. So I think both of these colors work really nice with my skin tone. I do like it, blends easy, formula's nice. I can definitely see why these are super popular. Very pretty. So again, Sleepy Mauve and Toasted Chai. Definitely check these 2 colors out. They're gorgeous.